Hey guys, Anvey here and welcome back to my channel. Sana may natutunan kayo sa 5-minute video natin last week. And for this week, what we will talk about is related to customer service. Pero we'll make it digital customer service. So what do we mean about that? So it's technically customer service being done in the digital or in the online space. Again, before we start discussing digital customer service, I want you guys to read first the definition of digital customer service or online customer service. Para when we talk about it later, guided tayong lahat kung ano ba yung definition niya. So guys, dahil nabasa nyo na yung definition ng customer service or ng digital customer service, I want to let you know na in reality at this point, customer service is now 24/7 whether we like it or not. Bakit? Kasi with the advent of technology, social media, and online platforms, it's now easier for our customers to reach our brand and to ask what specific questions do they need, particularly about their product or the service that you guys are buying. So customer service could always play a great role and a great success to your brand if this is done correctly and in a very systematic and effective manner. So for this episode, I'm gonna give you 5 tips on how you can better your digital customer service. So let's start with tip number 1. So as to any customer service situation, you have to make sure that you handle all kinds of situation in a very calm manner. Kung maiinitin yung ulo mo, hindi ka pwede sa customer service. Kasi mas marami kang makakaaway or mas hindi mo makukuha kung ano yung gustong maparating ng mga clients or ng mga kliyente mo sa brands nyo. So ang tip number 2 ko guys is that with the advent of digital and online media, all brands are expected to reply more swiftly and more accurately. Bakit? Kasi nga, like what I said earlier, 24/7 na guys ang customer service natin because of your social media accounts, your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, no? So yan yung mga customer service platforms. And then, usually, ang mindset ng customer is that they want to talk to someone pagka nagkaroon ng problema or may nasirang parts yung sasakyan or yung laptop or yung camera or yung computer nila. So they always want to talk with someone. So guys, ang pangatlong tip ko in digital customer service is that you have to accurately offer solutions or better alternatives. So what do I mean about it? So rather than giving them a response na canned response or yung mga templated na response, you have to let them know that you are solving the problem and you're helping them by providing the right information that they need. So guys, yung tip number 4 ko is all about determining the customer's preferred channel to communicate. Bakit importante yon? Kasi there are times that the customer prefers to call you because mas gusto niyang may kausap rather than sending emails. Or pwede kang mag-offer ng ibang other avenues such as WeChat, Viber, and other means, no? So again, an additional step to customer service will always be appreciated by the customers that you are currently talking to. So guys, ang tip number 5 ko is all about constantly giving updates to the customer regardless if the situation is good or bad. Why is this important? Ganito lang yan kasimple. Siyempre, pag may concern ka, gusto mong ina-update ka. Gusto mong malaman kung ano yung sitwasyon ng pinaparepair mo or gusto mong malaman kung pwede mo bang ibalik yung jacket or yung coat na binili mo sa isang brand sa retail shops. And that's very important. Always communicate to them in a manner that they feel that they are updated. It always goes a long way, and that is always good customer service. So guys, for me, a proactive customer service is always very much appreciated by your customers, and it goes a long way, especially for brands and service companies. So I suggest you take advantage on the power of online media and digital media and improve your customer service. Okay? Kung bago lang kayo dito sa YouTube channel ko and sa Facebook page ko, I would like to take this opportunity to ask you guys to subscribe, like, and share this content to your friends. So guys, sana may natutunan kayo sa 5-minute marketing video natin this week. Again, kung meron kayong mga marketing strategy o mga marketing tactics na gusto nyong malaman dito sa channel natin, comment down below at sisiguraduhin kong babasahin ko yun at re-replyan ko kayo ng mga marketing ideas at mga business solutions that you guys can do by yourselves. Again, I'm Anvey Factora. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you again next week.